A recent survey by the Royal Society for Public Health indicated that 2 in 5 people working from home due to COVID-19 have started developing musculoskeletal problems such as back pain and tendinitis. A possible contributing factor for this is the large number of people working from inappropriate furniture like the sofa or bed. What we suggest is sitting correctly when working from home. When sitting in a chair, things to get right include sitting as far back on the base of the seat as possible, ensuring that your back is in good contact with the backrest, ensuring your feet are well supported on the floor or by using a footrest, and adjusting your seat height to a level where your hips are ever so slightly above the level of your knees. Utilize a small cushion to achieve the optimal seated height if your chair is not height adjustable, and a rolled towel at the level of your lower back if your chair doesn't have lumbar support, and a thick book as a footrest if your feet don't reach the floor. Alternatively, if you do want to invest in your health, purchase a good ergonomic office chair.